So I'm doing a video for the German Cardano community, for the German-speaking Cardano community, and I told them that you have your incredible cool project. So do you want to tell in one or three sentences about your project?
Sure. Well, basically we have a fiat-backed stablecoin that can be minted in Cardano mainnet, but also in our sidechain. And our sidechain is basically a Cardano network running in parallel with Cardano mainnet that allows you to create transactions and do everything that you can do in Cardano, but paying like if you were paying with USD instead of ADA. So you can from pay transaction fees to earn staking rewards, everything in a fiat-backed stablecoin, so you can at any moment switch it for real USD from the reserves. And that's more or less everything. I mean, you can deploy applications out of the box because it is the same code base than Cardano, and all the smart contracts and everything is built exactly on the same way. You can deploy and stake pool on in exactly the same way that you do in Cardano mainnet. So it is like the fully stable branch of Cardano. You can do the same things that you can do in Cardano mainnet, but powered by basically USD instead of ADA.
Was er gesagt hat, er hat eben eine Sidechain, wo er eben einen Stablecoin gemacht hat, der mit Fiat gedeckt ist, eben mit US-Dollar. Und it's US-Dollar, right? Ja, der mit US-Dollar gedeckt ist und das läuft eben auf einer Sidechain. Und ja, wenn ihr das Projekt cool findet, I think I chased your colleague. Ich habe seinen Kollegen vergrault gerade. So, Shareslake, and your name is, for anyone who wants to... And you are looking for a team, you're trying to set up a team. So if someone says, hey, I really like the idea, can they get in contact with you?
Yeah, of course. Well, I can share, they can send an email to info@shareslake.com. We will reply really, really soon.
Okay, so yeah, let's see. Maybe someone will join your project.
Maybe someone
okay.
is interested in joining our team.
Yeah.